The city of Fort Lauderdale actually had the gall to have a fake celebration ceremony this week for the completion of the Tarpon River Restoration Project. This project was supposed to rehabilitate the Tarpon River after dumping hundreds of millions of gallons of raw sewage into it almost 3 years ago. The project consisted of dredging a couple hundred feet of this river. Other than that, they did absolutely nothing. As you can see from this video, the pollution is rampant and out of control. And recent water testing shows that the fecal bacteria level is 10 times more than the accepted level. But that did not stop them from doing this cheap PR campaign, trying to trick the people of Fort Lauderdale and the state of Florida.
So we're down here, and we're celebrating the new mark for Fort Lauderdale. They just restored and cleaned the Tarpon River, and they wanted to make sure that it was safe for everybody. So we took a water sample. The fecal bacteria level is supposed to be less than 70. It's about 600 in here today.
I urge the people that live in the city of Fort Lauderdale to visit the Tarpon River and tell me what you think. The pollution is rampant, the smell is disgusting, and the fecal bacteria levels are out of this world.
It's all smoke and mirrors. Take a look at that. Look. Does that look like something we should be celebrating? This is supposed to be safe. But we're 10 times past the fecal bacteria levels that are acceptable.
In other words, who's running on water? Join our efforts by listening to the Real Guy podcast or joining the Coastal Community Network.